This is the best place that we ate at called the Creperie. If you don't know what a crepe is, it is delicious. We both got different ones, and she won. Believe it or not, they actually have Christmas trees in their parks, and got him. Views, and more views. And we actually got to see the weather change live. Whoa! Fall to winter action on that. As you can see, we live in kind of clutch though. Got some snow angel action playing in the snow. More views. Brunch man. But I must admit, the real reason we're here in Alaska is to see these. Now, in order to see the Northern Lights, you have to have so many things go right. And so we planned this trip, a month in advance or whatever. But we had to giddy on up and take our chances. So these are some of our best picks. Man, I must say, I now realize why they call it chasing the auroras. My goodness, we went to like 3 or 4 different spots just to see if we can get the best views. All these pictures are taken between 12 and 3. And it really just gave us an appreciation for how hard it is to find these lights. But, man, shout out to the iPhone Mini 13. My goodness, it did a great job of capturing this. Anyways, we had other things to take care of, like the Ice Museum. And yeah, just like it sounds, it's pretty much made out of ice. My goodness, just had a good time. And believe it or not, they actually had a bar up in there, which of course we made use of in Glass Smash. More views. And we had to hit the hot springs. Yeah, the kitty mama. Yeah. Got some mandatory snowball action. And yeah, man, more views. More views. This is actually the last day as we're leaving. And believe it or not, it is actually perfect for the auroras. I mean, listen, dude, I ain't hating. I take whatever I can get, man. But I tell you what, talking about views, look at this. This is 15 minutes before we got back to Houston. The sky is hollering. If you've never seen a storm from above, listen, man, this is your moment. And yeah, man, that's it. That's a trip, man. If Alaska is something that you're thinking about on the fence about, I hope that this clip helps to make your decision a little bit more easier. And yeah, man, it's good to be back.